Hello, my name is Lester Garrett. Today I'll be demonstrating how to drill on maps and from dashboard to dashboard within Burst. Let's get right to it. So what I'm going to do now is switch over to Burst interface and demonstrate just how easy we can simply drill from a dashboard or drill from an existing map in this situation. So I've already pre-built a nice little dashboard here, and you see the United States. But right now it's not active in terms of, if I click on a selected region or state, I can't see any further detail. So I'm going to isolate and just show me just Texas. But my boss has come in and said, I would love to see what's going on with this total amount here and break it out by region and sales reps, etc. So what we're going to do is build a simple report, and then we're going to create a new dashboard page and then drill from this particular map to the new page. So let's do it. I've already opened up a second window. Okay, so I'm going to basically click on Designer. And now Designer is where I'm going to actually launch or build my report. And keep in mind, this is a total cloud solution. We're in the cloud. I'm on a wireless laptop as we speak. So the data is being retrieved and actually authenticating my security to ensure that I can only see the field that I'm allowed to see. So if my report fields are in place, we can now build our report. This won't take long at all. So we're going to locate a few fields here. I'm going to open up my account, and you can see I have region. So I want to see region. I also want to see billing state. Again, I'm just double-clicking. Double-click on billing state. It's going to insert it into my report canvas. We're going to also bring in industry. Again, I'm alerted that I need to show industry. Just double-click, just put it in place. And expected amount. So we're going to bring in one measure. So I'm going to minimize my opportunity and go down to my measure. Expected amount. There we go. Close date. And again, I have a number of measures that's already pre-calculated for me. And just add my sum by double-clicking. And here's a nice simple report, a detailed report, if you will. Because again, if I click on my map, I want to see this particular information. So all we have to do now is give it a name. Report. Save as. And we'll put it in our private folder. And we'll just call this detailed view of report. Save it. Awesome. So now we're going to go back and create a new dashboard page. I'm going to click back over to my other tab that I already have up. And we just want to add a new page here. Okay, new page. So we're going to right click on expected amount. There it is. Overview. And add new page. So now we're going to add the new report that we just developed into our dashboard page. So we locate it within our private folder, and it's just a matter of drag and drop. So I'm going to take this existing report that we just created, drag and drop. There's a report. Again, nothing fancy at this point. Again, we just kind of show you the concept on how to drill. So now my report is in place. Let's go ahead and change some properties because, again, I want to be able to select and schedule and send it to PDF and maybe even to Excel format. Okay, again, this is all my properties for this particular report. And just save. And while I'm here, since I know I'm going to be passing a parameter from dashboard to dashboard on billing state, we're going to add a prompt. So we're going to go ahead and add a prompt. I'm going to go back to my billing state and just drag and drop right in here to the prompt area. Okay, and then we got to activate one feature. Okay, I'm going to click on default. Click on this particular field that I brought in for my prompt. Just click on it one time. And there we have it. All we have to do is activate or turn on this variable to update. Again, within Burst, it knows if you're going to pass this parameter based on this particular field. Okay, so variable update, done, save. That's it. It's as simple as that. This report is ready to go close. All we have to do now is click on properties and give this page a new name. So you click on properties Again, I'm just going to give it a name, and we're going to call this detail view. Okay, because again, this is going to be our detail view. Save it, and it should update my name accordingly here as I save. Perfect. Look at that. So now we've added a page to the new report. There you go. Okay. So now all we got to do is go back and modify our map to basically pass the parameter to this report. So I'm going to go back to my expected amount. You can see here, there's my map. And we must modify this page. Right-click, edit, and we're almost done. Not taking long at all. Okay, so we just got to change one feature in here. Again, go back to my default prompts for this particular dashboard. There's my billing state because, again, they must be in sync. Okay, so if you're going to drill to another dashboard, all you got to do is make sure both dashboards have the same property selected, same field, and again, update to variable, make sure it's activated. Hit save, and save that, okay. And we must modify one more feature within our target report. Okay, I'm going to go inside my target report and close this. And just by going to my designer here, edit, it's going to bring up my target report. And we must activate one feature on the column itself within the designer mode. Again, this is on the target report itself. And as it loads my GeoMap, again, it's verifying who I am and going to allow me to see what regions, or again, as far as row level security, data security. So all I have to do, I'm going to bring up my field using my pivot control and just select on the column, billing state province. Again, this is in my target. I'm sorry, this is in my source report. My source report, click. I'm going to click on column properties. Because what I must do here is tell it where to drill to. Okay. There's a drilling under my column properties. And to drill to dashboard, I got a number of options here. I want to drill to dashboard and drill to my detail view. Okay, again, I can go to anywhere. If I have multiple dashboards here, I could go to pages, I can select those, but overview, detail view is where I want to go. And we're done. Save it. Again, we're going to save this report to make sure we save those features and attributes. Save. Okay, so now we can back out of this feature. So, and again, we're going to make sure everything is saved here. Then we're going to save this particular dashboard. Save. So we're done. Now it's just a matter of testing to see if it's going to work. So as my GeoMap loads, now if I want to drill down to Texas, it should take me to my detailed view of this Texas. Let's see. Look at there. It's passing the value of Texas, and the filter is being passed. And at this point, I can do further analysis if I choose to, because my prompt is here now. I can click on my prompts and see, I can go, if I want to see every, Alabama or Arizona, just click on Arizona, apply, and now it's going to retrieve the data appropriately just for that particular state. And if I want to see, if I want to go back to my expected amount just to make sure it works, if I want to see with another state, I can. Again, as it loads my report, I can now click on, let me see, all, apply, and it's going to retrieve my information of my states in my United States. And if I want to see just Virginia, click on Virginia, and it should pass Virginia parameter to my detail view. Update, awesome, done. And there you have it. So again, just a matter of minutes, we were able to create a report, create a new page, update my source with the variable to date, and then test it. So in conclusion, we have actually, again, demonstrated how to drill down on maps from dashboard to dashboard within Burst. So if you would like to engage with us, just visit our website and select one of our concierge services today. I thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day.